With deadline given by Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla to surrender weapons ends today, weapons, ammunitions and various warlike stores have come in at various police stations in both hills and valley districts. Police stations located in valley districts have witnessed a great response to Manipur Governor's call for surrender of weapons within 7 days' time. Huge cache of voluntarily surrendered weapons were received at police stations located in Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Churchandpur, Kangpokpi and Ziribam districts. In response to initiative by Manipur Governor to restore peace and normalcy in the state, weapons were received at Sagolmang police station under Imphal East district yesterday. The voluntarily surrendered weapons included 4.303 rifles with 4 magazines, 2 SLR with 2 magazines, 4 Insas rifle magazines, 2 Insas LMG magazines, 1 M16 magazine, 1 unknown magazine without spring, lip and back cap 155, 5.56 by 30 millimeter ammunition, 14.303 ammunition, 68 black cartridges, 3 HE hand grenade without detonator, 2 2-inch mortar illumination bombs, 2 2-inch mortar bombs, 10 smoke cells, 1 WP smoke grenade, 1 smoke hand grenade, 23 MK 13T ammunition, 13 JMK 3T ammunition, 4 MK 13 T rust ammunition, 64 fire case of Insas rifle, 35 a fire case of 7.62 millimeter ammunition, 7 fire case of 303 ammunition, 14 fire case of AK ammunition, 1 fire case of 9 millimeter ammunition, 9 helmets, 8 bulletproof covers, 6 local made iron plates, 3 handset marked as Baofeng without battery and 2 charger and 3 AK ammunition. On the other hand, Porompat police also received 1 SMG carbine, 1 tear gas gun, 3 pistol, 2 stun grenades, 436 high explosive hand grenades, 1 smoke shell, 1 and 6 tear gas shells. Weapons were also voluntarily surrendered at Yangangpokpi police station. The surrendered weapons included 1 submachine gun, 9mm carbine, 1A with a magazine, 1 right gut gun, 1 BP jacket, 3 stun grenades, 1 dye marker grenade with irritant anti-riot, 1 stun shells, 1 dual shell anti-riot, 1 ear smoke shell chili, 1 tear smoke shell normal and 1 tear smoke shell nose.